This is Brittany with WTI sharing this YnM weighted blanket with you because it is my favorite and the best invention ever. First of all, I adore a weighted blanket. It is the ultimate in comfort and luxury, makes me just feel so good, and it gives me the best night's sleep. So this is the 15-pound one. I got it to fit on my queen size bed because I have to have it to sleep. And what I love, first of all, is because of the square stitching throughout the entire blanket, it ensures even distribution of the beads that weigh it down. So no matter how you have it folded or laying, you don't have to worry about trying to reconfigure the beads inside. They stay where they go and stay put the entire time. I love that it doesn't overheat you since it is nice and thin, and it also has this good cotton material on both sides. It is so good at just giving you the nice weight and pressure without overheating you. Because of that, you can still breathe, rest easy, and have a fantastic night's sleep. And that's my point of view.